Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Woo. Not bad for 5K.
Dude, and a seat pillar.
Yeah.
Nice. Wow. I like it. Hey, this is clean too, man. Looks really good.
I'm actually thinking about taking those subs out and putting DP15s in here. I was going to redo that box and do 221s in it. I got sitting at the house, but...
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
What subs are they?
Those are the used.
Oh, so you have 4 Sundown U15s on just that incriminator. Is it a 40 point?
40.1.
40.1. Wow. And your voltage is good.
Yeah.
How's your battery?
Well, I got 2 banks of LTOs and a 370.
Yeah. Yeah, that helps. Awesome. Have you metered it yet? No, just demo?
Yeah.
Okay.
Meter thing is getting a little old. I don't do that anymore.
I understand.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Wow. What's the box tuned to?
35.
35?
Yeah.
Awesome. Thanks for showing me, man.
No problem.
Stop by. Appreciate the demo.
All right.
What was your name?
Thomas.
Thompson. I remember you. All right. You have a good day. Actually, let me get a picture real quick. I'm sorry. Forgot to get one. Nice. Perfect. You have a good day, man. Thompson.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.